Hi and welcome to Unacademy Studios. I am Bhavik Bansal. I am a first year MBBS student at AIIMS New Delhi. I achieved AIR 1 in AIIMS-MBBS 2019 and AIR 2 in NEET UG 2019. Today we will be discussing the importance of test series and previous year question papers and which one is more important and why are they important. So before going there, I would like to introduce you to the Unacademy Plus platform. So it's a concept of active learning. So there's a personalized experience in which you are connected to the teacher live with live classes and instantaneously your doubts have been cleared. So I'll try to take time off my schedule and teach there, but already much more experienced faculty are teaching. So you can subscribe to the Unacademy Plus platform through the Android app or the website. The NEET AIIMS subscription costs 25,000 for a year, but you can use the referral code Bhavik and get 10% off and get it for 22,500. And the 2-year course costs 40,000, but again you can use the code Bhavik and get it for 36,000. Now moving on to our topic for today, how are test series or previous year question papers important? So first of all, you have to realize that the more number of tests you give, the better there are chances of you being equipped with better skills to attempt tests. First of all, the silly mistakes that people do on OMRs and CBT modes can be eliminated by various numbers of tests. But another thing that we have to consider is the repetitiveness of questions specifically in NEET, because there's a predictable pattern, and if you join a test series by a coaching or by a book, you do many test series, it will help you analyze the pattern, which is pretty evident in NEET in previous year questions as well. So again, another thing, you should try to attempt tests even if you are not prepared. First of all, it gives you your base amount of knowledge that you have. Whenever you do every chapter, you should be confident enough in that chapter that you should be able to attempt a test without having to revise it the day before the test. Because when NEET approaches, it's a 2-year long syllabus. So you won't be revising the 2-year long syllabus before the test. So every chapter as it goes by, you should have confidence to attempt it in the test series without revision on the previous day. So the current scenario, as you all know, there are more than 15 lakh people attempting NEET, AIIMS, JIPMER, maybe not AIIMS and JIPMER, but obviously the competitive ones in NEET, the competitive ones among the 15 lakh are competing in AIIMS. So this is a quote I pretty much like, that compete with yourself but fight for excellence. So in a competitive world, you'd be forced enough to compete with the neighbor next door, but first of all you have to compete with yourself. You have to create your own benchmarks and then compete to reach the top. So one more thing that I stress upon is, if you are giving a paper that has 1x difficulty, you should practice question at least 2x difficulty. I get much hate for getting to recommend JE type questions for medical, but if you attempt more difficult questions, you are adopted for easy questions. When you feel that this question is easy, then you get a level of confidence that can make you score high in specifically NEET. So attempting difficult questions during when you have 1 or 2 chapters lined up is the key to getting better ranks and marks when the whole syllabus is approaching. So the final days, I'll like to describe you my final days. After January, when my syllabus was over, the only 2 things I did was read NCERT and solve mock papers. And it was to the end that I would be solving 2 to 3-hour papers every day. And towards the end, it was like 2 papers by my coaching center and 2 papers I would attempt myself. So approximately 4 papers in a day would I attempt mock tests which are NEET based or AIIMS based. So that's about it, because you should realize that test series and previous year questions are really important. So I think I have given enough importance to them, and if you want to know more about my strategies, you can obviously subscribe to the Unacademy Studio channel and share this video among friends. Thanks.